In this video, I will show you how to easily add CS2 icon to desktop, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. So if you guys want to add the CS2 game icon to your desktop like me, for example, as you can see, I have it already on my desktop. It's actually very easy, and let me show you how. To start, right click on your desktop and then click on new, and now select shortcut, and right here paste the link from the description down below or just simply copy it from my screen. And now click on next, and right here you can name it as you wish, CS2 or Counter-Strike 2, it's up to you. And as you can see, now we have created this shortcut, and after that right click on it again and go to the properties, and the next step is click on change icon and now click on browse, and the next step is to locate your Steam folder. Usually it's in the C disk and then program files. In my case I have it in the second disk. And now let's open the Steam folder and click on Steam apps and then common, and select the CS2 game, and now click on game folder and select the bin folder, and now Win64. And after you've done that, here in this folder you will actually see the CS2 game icon. Now simply select it, and after that click OK, and then you can apply these settings and then click on apply. And as you can see, now I have added my CS2 game to desktop, and if you click on it, the Counter-Strike 2 game will automatically open directly from your desktop. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to add CS2 to desktop.